Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on my brand new M8 Softail 2023 Lowrider ST. I only have about 890 miles on it, so I don't have to replace them definitely, but I had some reward points from my dealer and they were about to expire, so I got some wants. And these are the Screamin Eagle Performance Spark Plugs, part number 31600085. They come in a pair because each cylinder requires 2 spark plugs. And yeah, got my bike ready on the wheel chock. I got my tools laid out, my owner's manual, and let's go over them real quick. I got the inch-pound torque for my spark plug torque specs. I have this adapter or socket. It's the 5/8 spark plug deep socket. So I got that, a couple extensions, some ratchets, needle nose pliers. I got a couple of these levers because I'm not sure which one I'll need for the boot plug. Some anti-seize for the threads on the spark plugs, some gap checkers, and going at the owner's manual, the spark plug gap is to be around 0.03 to 0.04 inches. I'm gonna target for something close to 0.03. Reason being is as the spark plug wears out, the gap's gonna get wider, and while it gets wider, it's still gonna be within tolerance or within spec if I have it at close to 0.03 instead of the max, which is 0.04. So yep, 0.03 is what I'm going to be looking for on my gap checkers, and spark plug torque is going to be at 89 to 133 inch-pounds. So that's where my torque wrench is going to be coming in handy. I got a couple of wrenches and sockets here to help remove the fuel tank, and the procedure is pretty simple. It's removing the seat, removing that main fuse, and removing that tank. I do have a video that goes into a deeper details on how to remove that tank, but basically it's taking off the 2 bolts right there and 3 connectors underneath. So I'll put the video on this on the link on this one, so you guys can watch that if you want more details on how to remove the fuel tank. But after that, it's just about taking off these boots, 1 here, 1 there, and 2 in the middle of the cylinders, which is why we got to remove that fuel tank. But just remove the boots, put the new ones in, and put it back in reverse order. So one thing I do want to mention is I personally like to remove that main fuse anytime I'm working on electrical or fuel related, and just something I have in handy. I do have a fire extinguisher up there, a small one, but hey, who knows? I think if there was a spark, I don't think that fuel extinguisher would help me, but hey, peace of mind, right? So that's there, and I think I went over everything I needed to. One thing here, the service manual, or the owner's manual, sorry, says that the spark plugs need to be replaced every 2 years or 30,000 miles, whichever comes first. So that's a long time before I need to worry about it, but hey, I got some reward points to spend and I won't let them go to waste. So let's get started and get these replaced.